We are ShelterDogStrong, and today it's raining, but we're not gonna let it bother us. Right, Or? We have too much planned. We're gonna go to Lowe's, and then we're gonna go to the house, and we're still gonna run around in the rain because who cares? And we're gonna pig out, watch a movie, and then we got an event to go to possibly, but definitely going to the boutique. This poor dog, she comes in so hot, but hi, baby. Hi, girlfriend. Hi. Oh, everyone's wet now. And off we go. She just like can't handle her excited. Good girl.
I know.
Yes, I know he is your friend. He told me. She's gonna launch. See, I saw it. She was like preparing. She's a jumper. Whoop. All the time. She doesn't know what to do with her happy.
It's okay, but you're so cute though. It doesn't matter.
Gosh. We went to Lowe's, tried to get a little energy out, and now we will go to the house. Oh my god. I don't know how I thought that was a good idea. Okay, so we're gonna go home for a little bit, see what happens there, and I don't know. Maybe we'll make it to the event. Maybe we won't, but we are going shopping. Oh god. Ah, she's on my hand.
No.
Sorry, Andrew.
Oh god.
Legs it.
Ori.
Oh god, we're recording
Nope.
this whole thing.
Ori.
Oh, there goes my seatbelt.
Is that you or me?
That's me. She needed tips. I know she looks like a psycho, but then she does that and she just breaks my heart. She's so misunderstood and just a baby. She's just a baby. She was getting nibbly with us, so we gave her her toy, and she went in the back and she nibbled her toy.
Yeah.
You could read that as her trying to bite you, or imagine an 8-week-old puppy. That's what she's doing, but she's an adult, so it can come off, I guess, scarier, but she wants to know what to do, which annoys me, because she wants. Ugh, she's so good. Poor truck. Let's get that leash off, kiddo. And here goes Ori. Oh god, the birds are flying for their lives. Oh, well, she got it. You okay? What'd she do? Did she like roll her ankle or she just landed on the fence?
No, she hit the fence.
Okay. She's gonna poo. Oh. Or just do your poos, baby. It's okay.
Come on, girl. So I don't want you to slip.
Yeah. No.
Really?
I just want you guys.
Really?
Hi, babe. You can go back in. Oh, she likes it in here. Oh my god. This is a real good day, guys. Thank you. You play. She. Oh, she.
Well, oh god, easy. Oh, easy. Good. Oh, easy. Girl. Whew.
I'm home. Everyone's got to do the table walk, I guess. Yes, ma'am. Do not get off that way. You're so cute, but so scary.
Look.
Ooh. She is so excited. It's so sad. She almost lost her eye on the friggin' pole. This is so sad. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. You're gonna have a heart attack, kiddo. She needed a little squishing. There you go, just a little squish.
Good girl.
Gotcha.
Where I can find everything I need in one place.
Okay.
So we can keep that life.
Good girl, Lily. Good girl. Oof.
What a pig. Hey,
What happened?
Where'd it go?
What happened? Okay.
Ori, come here, baby.
I don't know if you want your clip or not, but I think that she's constantly going for it.
6 months next week.
No, she doesn't want my clip. She was into my head. Oh, Buggy. That's okay. I just want you to relax a little. Goodness. What is she doing?
She's nibbling my hair.
She went down my hand before. Oh, get her. You're such a fucking worm. It took her way too long to like almost fall. There you go, baby. Nibble. Yeah, get all your nibbles. Get your nibbles.
Easy, girl.
Go ahead, circle around. Get yourself comfy. I see what you're doing. Yeah. There you go, sweetheart. Oop. She keeps nosing her toys off the couch. Oh, goodness, girl. Nice and calm.
Good girl, honey. Yeah.
Hey, she is.
Fine, baby.
I know all my exercise equipment over there. You'd think I was like, maybe I am. She's a little corncob nibbler. Just like she nibble on the blinkies. Nibble, nibble, nibble.
Nibbles?
I'm trying to make you look cute. You know what it is with that table? They all need to walk on it. It's been about almost 2 hours, and she still won't lay down, which is fine, but that's how pent up she is. Oh, she said thank you. Your ears get so itchy, huh? Cut off your wings. Stupid. She would have looked perfect with big floppy wings.
It's okay.
She said thank you. Thank you. Oh. Kind of toning down. I mean, she toned down a lot, but I think we might get a nap out of her. Proof that she lays down. She heard me. She's gonna pull off my face now. What do you think, pretty girl? Are you calculating your gymnastic move? She likes this fuzzy blanket. Let's see what's gonna happen to it. Yeah. Oh. That was a lot of work. I'm gonna do that to it though.
Patient doesn't say literally what it says in the.
Please.
A brain, you could have the same thing.
Just one nibble. Please. She's using her little raccoon paws.
Back to bad odors.
She likes TV.
Plug-in. It has
You ready? We go to the store.
Ready to go? You can pick up a bunch of toys. Do whatever you need. Yeah.
I think we might get a bunch of like bakery stuff with her. What do you think? Go to the baked goods department.
Hey.
She loves being bad.
Hey. Oh,
God. Is she sick? Because Venus looked like that. She threw up. Okay.
I think like she just like pooped.
I just wish she would have fell asleep at the house.
I know. And she felt like she had to like be
I know.
up.
She sleeps. She recharged. Oh, here she is. I'm ready. Oh, shit. Oh, here we go. Hi, thank you, girl.
Sorry, baby.
Oh, God.
How they all do it.
It's
How they like wrap their leash around the pillow.
I don't know. My baby. Come on, let's go shopping. Yeah. Whoa. Ori. That's okay, darling. Ori, what is that, girl? Are you not sure about him? That's okay. Who is that, huh? He handsome? Yeah. What do you think?
In a China shop. Wait, she's got legs.
She has legs and she knows how to move them.
Goodness, those are long leggies. Oh, she's a model.
Oh, I would not buy.
Well,
She does kind of look giant now, looking at her standing over the door.
yes, you don't look this big in pictures, but you got some sexy legs.
Oh yeah. Should I sit?
Oh gosh.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you're sweet. Is she baby? She's still on the website. I panicked.
They'll leave her for a while.
I was gonna text you, but then I was like, yeah. I was like, I don't want to jinx it. I don't want to say anything.
You should have to watch that.
2, 3. You don't even try. You don't have to try. You don't. Whoa, that was crazy.
I'm a professional. Or her tail straight. She means business.
Oh my gosh. That was insane.
Does. Tons of food. Come on, Or. Let's get you home. Is she nibbling your beard?
No.
I look like she's biting at it. And back we go. Bye, Gooba. Is that on her arm? Ugh. Do you want to give her a cookie?
Yeah, let's give her a cookie.
What you want? Oh, they got a little broken. That's okay. Why not? Sure. Oh, thank you. I love it. Oh my goodness! All the treats we got in our bag of bakery snacks, and Ori got her own little chew horn. Thank you guys.